I am Mansa Luapula. I'm a project management master's student from the University of Lusaka, currently here in Mansa Luapula, assessing the compliance and contract management here at Aquakena factory. So please come with me so we can explore more. I am presenting my analysis of contract performance and compliance at Aquakena mineral water production plant located in Mansa Luapula Province. As you can see, Aquakena has compliance regulatory standards that have been put in place and rules that need to be followed by every employee of Aquakena. Also, on the other side, the same rules and regulations, or rather standards, have been put in place so that workers working at that particular site know what they need to wear and what they're not supposed to do. This assesses how contract management principles are applied in a real world operational manufacturing environment. Aquakena Mineral Water Production is a privately owned manufacturing factory specialized in bottled water production ranging from 350 mils to 80 mils. The plant sources their imports both from international and as well as here in Zambia. So they import their plastic preforms that they later turn into plastic bottles of water that we, the users, have access to. So one of their suppliers are people from Dubai as well as China. And so they mold these bottles using high temperature machineries. The bottles are later filled with water, labeled, packed, and are distributed. The facility operates as an ongoing manufacturing project supported by multiple contracts, including international and local supply, employee contracts, waste management service agreements and arrangements, regulatory compliance. This makes it an appropriate case for the evaluating contract execution in an operation context. Key performance indicators is the production target of 7,200 bottles per 8 hours shift at optimal conditions. However, due to electricity outages, production dropped sometimes to 200 bottles per shift, which represents 79% reduction of output. The gap highlights a major infrastructure dependency on electricity despite having enough equipment. This shows the importance of integrating infrastructure risk into operational contract planning with ZESCO Limited Zambia. The key strength is the use of fixed contracts for specialized technicians, since machines take 4 months to familiarize themselves, or rather workers familiarizing themselves with the machines. The weakness is that both local and international procurement arrangements are mostly oral based, creating risk in legal enforcement and also just exposure to delivery disputes. Because raw materials are purchased in US dollars with no formal price adjustment clause, the company bears full volatility risks. Additionally, recycling arrangements for plastic material waste is informal, increasing environmental compliance exposure. The plant operates with Zambia regulatory framework governing water bodies, as well as quality standards and labor regulations. Certification marks are visibly marked on the bottles as well as on the walls of the company, and workers comply with safety protocols. My recommendation would be formalizing supplier agreements into written framework contract, strengthening infrastructure resilience through power investments, convert formal recycling arrangements into formal agreements with compliance standards. Aquakena mineral water plant demonstrates strong technical capacity and workforce stability. However, strengthening contract governance, risk allocation, clarity, and supplier formalization will improve long-term sustainability and performance resilience. Thank you so much. Thank you.
you so much for listening to my video. We are here at Aquakena Enterprise. Thank you.